Do you want to experience a natural high, reduce stress levels, and boost your mood? Well, the answer may be simpler than you think. Running, a simple yet powerful activity, offers a bounty of mental and emotional benefits that can transform your life. Let's start with the natural high. This isn't some mystical, elusive concept. It's a scientifically proven phenomenon known as the runner's high. When you run, your body releases endorphins, those wonderful little chemicals that interact with the receptors in your brain to reduce your perception of pain and trigger a positive feeling in the body. With every stride, you are literally running your way to happiness. But the benefits don't stop there. Running also helps reduce stress. We all know the toll that stress can take on our mental well-being. But did you know that running can be a natural stress reliever? It's true. As you run, your body also releases stress-fighting chemicals that can help you feel more relaxed and balanced. And let's not forget about mood improvement. Running has been shown to help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's a natural mood booster that can help you feel more positive and optimistic. This is because the act of running stimulates the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Moreover, running can improve your self-confidence. As you meet your running goals, whether that's running for 5 minutes without stopping, completing a 5K, or simply getting out the door and running every day, you'll start to feel a sense of accomplishment. This can lead to increased self-esteem and a more positive self-image. So lace up your running shoes and prepare to dive into the mental and emotional benefits of this amazing activity. Whether you're running on a treadmill, in your neighborhood, or on a trail in the great outdoors, remember that every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Your heart will thank you for embracing a daily 30-minute run. Now, you might be wondering, how does running benefit my heart health? Well, let's dive right in. Running is a fantastic cardiovascular exercise. Think of it as a workout for your heart. Each time you lace up your running shoes and hit the pavement, you're not just working those leg muscles, you're also strengthening your heart muscle. And a stronger heart is a healthier heart. It can pump blood more efficiently throughout your body, supplying your organs and tissues with the vital oxygen and nutrients they need. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular running can also help lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a significant risk factor for heart disease. It can damage your arteries, leading to heart attack, stroke, or even heart failure. But by running regularly, you can keep your blood pressure levels in check and reduce these risks. Running also boosts the efficiency of your blood flow. Good blood flow is essential for your overall health. It improves circulation, ensuring that your cells get the oxygen they need to function properly. It also helps remove waste products like carbon dioxide and lactic acid more effectively from your body. And guess what? All of this contributes to better cardiovascular health. Moreover, running can help balance your cholesterol levels. It increases the amount of good cholesterol, or HDL, while decreasing the bad cholesterol, LDL, in your blood. Maintaining this balance is crucial in preventing the buildup of plaque in your arteries, which can lead to heart disease. So, as you can see, running is a powerful tool in maintaining and improving your cardiovascular health. It's not just about getting fit or losing weight, though those are great benefits too. It's also about taking care of your heart, one of the most vital organs in your body. Prepare to discover how running can aid in preventing heart disease and keep your ticker in tip-top shape. After all, a healthy heart is a happy heart, and nothing beats the feeling of knowing you're doing something good for your body every single day. Scene script. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds or improve your overall fitness level? Running might just be the answer you've been searching for. This simple yet powerful activity can be a game changer in your journey towards health and fitness. Let's explore how. If weight loss is your goal, running can be one of your strongest allies. It's a fact that running burns more calories per minute than most other forms of cardio exercise. The exact amount of calories you burn depends on a few factors like your weight, the running speed, and duration. But on average, a person can burn about 10 calories per minute while running. That's 100 calories burned in just 30 minutes. But the benefits of running don't stop at weight loss. It also plays a crucial role in increasing your overall fitness level. When you run, you engage multiple muscle groups in your body. Your legs, core, and even your upper body work together, and with time, they become stronger and more efficient. This leads to improved muscle tone and strength. In addition to that, running is an excellent endurance exercise. As you run regularly, your body adapts to the increased demand for oxygen. Your heart becomes stronger, your lungs increase their capacity, and your muscles learn to work more efficiently. Over time, this improved endurance can translate into better performance in other physical activities and sports. Running also promotes better body composition, which means a healthier ratio of muscle to fat in your body. This is because running not only helps you lose fat, but also encourages muscle growth, especially in the lower body. The result is a leaner, more toned physique. Lastly, running can help improve your balance and coordination. As you navigate different terrains and adjust your stride and speed, you're training your body to become more agile and coordinated. This can be incredibly beneficial in preventing falls and injuries as you age. So whether you want to lose weight, tone up, or just become fitter, running can help you achieve your fitness goals. It's simple, it's effective, and best of all, it's free. All you need is a pair of good running shoes and the motivation to get started. Get ready to witness the transformation your body can undergo when you make running a part of your daily routine. Did you know that running can work wonders for your skeletal system? Indeed, it's not just your heart and waistline that reap the benefits of a good run, your bones and muscles do too. Let's dive into the skeletal benefits first. You see, running is a weight-bearing exercise. This means it places stress on your bones, which might sound bad, but it's actually a good thing. This stress stimulates your body to deposit more calcium into your bones, which increases their density. As your bones become denser, they also become stronger, making them less susceptible to fractures and breaks. Furthermore, this increase in bone density is particularly crucial as we age. Why? Because as we get older, we naturally lose bone mass, which can lead to a condition called osteoporosis. Osteoporosis makes your bones brittle and more prone to fractures. But guess what? Regular running can help combat this. By increasing your bone density now, you're building a strong foundation for later in life. Now let's talk muscles. Running doesn't just give your legs a workout, it engages almost every muscle in your body. Your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves are all working hard to propel you forward. Meanwhile, your core muscles are maintaining your stability, and your arm muscles are pumping away to keep your momentum. Over time, this can result in more defined muscles, giving you that toned look many people strive for. Moreover, as your muscles grow stronger, they also become more efficient. This efficiency can translate into better performance in other physical activities, from lifting groceries to playing your favorite sport. So running not only makes you look good, but it also makes you function better in your day-to-day life. In conclusion, running does a lot more than just get your heart rate up. It strengthens your bones, fends off osteoporosis, and tones your muscles. It's a full-body workout disguised as a simple cardio exercise. From sculpted legs to a toned core, running is a fantastic full-body workout. Now that we've unveiled the incredible benefits of a daily 30-minute run, here are some practical tips to get you started and keep you motivated. First things first, finding the right pair of running shoes is crucial. They should offer good support, fit well, and be comfortable. Remember, shoes can make or break your running experience. Next, warming up properly is a must. A good warm-up prepares your body for the run ahead, increases your heart rate, and reduces the risk of injury. So start with a brisk walk or a light jog, followed by some dynamic stretches. Now let's talk about pace. If you're just starting out, it's perfectly okay to start slow. The key is to gradually increase your intensity. Listen to your body and adjust your pace accordingly. You might start by alternating between running and walking, then gradually increase your running intervals as you build up endurance. Consistency is the name of the game. Aim for at least 3 runs a week, and before you know it, you'll start to see improvements. Finally, don't forget to make your running routine enjoyable. Whether it's through listening to your favorite podcast, running in scenic locations, or joining a running club, find what works for you and stick to it. Get ready to conquer any hurdles and make running an enjoyable part of your life. So there you have it, the transformative effects of running for just 30 minutes every day. We've journeyed through the landscapes of mental well-being, cardiovascular health, and physical fitness. We've also equipped you with tips to kickstart and maintain your running routine. Remember, each stride you take is a step towards a healthier, happier version of you. So what are you waiting for? Lace up those running shoes and hit the pavement. Join the running revolution today and unlock a healthier, happier you.